Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V15 is making strange noises, it's likely a sign that the motor is failing. This could be due to dust buildup, worn bearings, or even a damaged rotor. If left unchecked, the issue can worsen, leading to complete motor failure and potentially more costly repairs. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a soft cloth, and a replacement motor suitable for the Dyson V15. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged. To open your Dyson V15 safely, locate the screws on the main body. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover to reveal the internal components. The motor is typically found near the base. Look for any signs of wear or damage, such as frayed wires or debris around the motor. To extract the motor, first disconnect any cables attached to it. Make a note of where each cable connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. The motor may be secured with additional screws. Remove these, applying gentle force to avoid damaging surrounding components. Carefully lift the motor out of its housing. It's important to handle this process with care to avoid causing any damage to the internal parts of your Dyson. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement motor and insert it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables according to your notes, and secure the motor in place with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, replace the cover, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Plug your Dyson V15 back in and turn it on to verify that the strange noises have stopped. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean your Dyson V15, ensuring that filters are replaced and dust does not accumulate in the motor housing. Additionally, consider running your vacuum on lower power settings occasionally to reduce strain on the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.